हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल पप्पू करियर गाइड, अ कंप्लीट गाइड फॉर ऑल योर करियर नीड। तो फिर आज भी बात करने वाले हैं यहाँ पर टीसीएस ऑनबोर्डिंग ज्वाइनिंग स्टार्टेड एंड द टीसीएस वेलकम टू एनालिटिक्स एंड इनसाइट एआई यूनिट ऑफ टीसीएस एंड ऑल्सो टीसीएस फिजिकल ऑनबोर्डिंग अपडेट. So in this particular video we will discuss some important things which is going to be happen in the September as well, because TCS now started sending the joining dates for the September batch students, and the students who all are receiving the upcoming, you can say, up in September, October and November, December as well. They are getting their joining date on like joining location as well as physical onboarding process. So you have to visit your joining location whatever you are getting in your joining letter, and there will be a high chances that they are going to provide you another unit of job rather than ninja. Okay, so this is a particularly a work from office job. There's a no need of like work from home. I'm not talking about the previous batches. I'm currently talking about the newer batches. So all who are going to join the TCS company in the upcoming months, they are going to get a joining in the upcoming like a work from office, not a work from home. So here you can see the details over there. Hope you are excited to join TCS family very soon. You can set to join on 19 September 22, and you can see it is highly recommended that you complete both SNDS business skills and step up and the stages on 22. Assessment is scheduled before you join. If you are going to complete back to on 18 September, so there is a particular date mentioned over there that you have to complete before that particularly given the date of assessment. And there is a second update which is coming from the TCS team that welcome to TCS Analytics and Insight AI unit. So basically TCS providing the another unit of job requirement, you can say US based project, in which you are going to get another role as well, and your maybe your salary is going to be high based on your project whatever you're getting. Okay, and so keep checking your mail regularly basis, and don't forget to join your community notification. You are all are, I think who all are waiting their joining date, just go and just log into your next step portal, TCS Ion portal. You have there, you are getting your explorer details. Okay, whatever you have your login ID, just log in over there and just check in your document notification. Okay, I think today or tomorrow in upcoming weeks you are going to get your onboarding details over there. So this is the way how TCS is going to recruit in the September joining started process. And if you doubt it, you can ask in comment section.